Is it possible to create a high-tech aquascape without spending thousands on branded gear? Today I am putting all my DIY builds to the ultimate test. My custom 1.5 foot tank, DIY soil, DIY lighting and even a DIY canister filter all coming together to create a comfortable home for my Betta. Before we even get to the hardscape, I am setting up my custom DIY LED light. Lighting drives plant growth, and this build is designed to deliver the high output needed for the deep red plants we will add later. I am starting with clay balls, packing them into nylon mesh bags and placing them at the bottom of the tank. This creates a stable base for the hardscape. Now over the clay base I am placing CO2 stones to form the hardscape, the structure of the entire layout. The next essential layer in any high-tech tank is the soil. I am using my custom DIY aquarium soil to ensure these plants get all the nutrients they need. I am topping off the soil with coarse river sand. This caps the substrate and completes the base layer of the aquascape. Next, I am shaping a cave from CO2 stones, bonding them with cotton and aquarium safe super glue to create a safe shelter for my Betta. Now for the plants. In the foreground I am planting Monte Carlo to form a carpet. For the midground I have added Cryptocorin Wendy, while Hygrophila pinnatifida is attached directly to the rocks. On the right side I have placed Ludwigia glandulosa. Finally, the background is built as a gradient of rotala, blood red, pink and green. With the tank filled, it's time to set up the life support. I am connecting my DIY canister filter to keep the water crystal clear. DIY CO2 system installed with the diffuser placed near the substrate. Everything is running now and fine bubbles are starting to spread through the tank. Even though these are all budget-friendly builds, you can see how they work together seamlessly to create a high-tech aquascape environment. After 2 weeks, algae started appearing in the tank, so I am giving it a full clean, trimming the plants and removing any dead or unhealthy leaves. I am also replanting the healthy tops to encourage better growth. After a water change, the tank is reset and ready to recover. With regular water changes, fertilization, trimming and replanting, the tank has stabilized well. The stem plants have grown thick and bushy and the overall layout is gradually coming together. Now I am adding hydrocotyl tripartita to bring more texture to the layout. After 3 months with no trimming, the stem plants have fully taken over the background. The scape has grown in dense and lush, with the Monte Carlo carpet filled in and the colors really standing out. Before introducing the Betta, I am redirecting the filter outflow towards the back of the tank. This softens the flow, creating calm zones while maintaining good filtration. Now it's time to introduce the Betta. He immediately explores his new home, moving across the tank, checking out the plants and hardscape before finally making his way into the cave. Building a high-tech tank is a journey, but doing it all DIY makes the result even more rewarding. If you want to see how I built any of these systems, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching MadeByKM and I'll see you in the next build.